Right, time to put the parts together on the hot tub. They've sent me some of the wrong kit. We'll go through that in a minute. They have sent it. I've ordered the wrong kit, obviously. But what can you do? Right, I'll show you what they've done. Let me just set this camera up a bit. Alright, that's about it. There you go. Right. This is the bag of bits that they've sent me. We've got the pump there, the heater here, and the bag of bits. So let's get this one done first. This is easy. This is all just dry fit at the moment. That bit goes on there like that, but obviously on the opposite side, and it's held in place with one of them rings. Okay, and you just screw it top and bottom there. Look, just screw it together like a clamp. Clamps it on with a big O-ring which is in the bag there. So that goes on there. Comes out of there, through these two, and then there's two little reducers to get from the 2 inch down to 1.5, and then from the 1.5 down to 1, and then from the 1 to 2. So that will give me the piece exactly the same that is missing off the end. The only exception is we're not putting a wastegate in it. We don't really need one. Okay, so that's that. Easily done. This is the 90-degree elbow that went there. So again, same fitting. Actually connects up that way, goes to there. The problem we've got now is they've sent me, or I've ordered, that screw-in piece. It's fucking way too big. So I'm going to have to get back on and order the smaller one. Looks like they've sent me a 2 inch and I need a 1.5, but I'll get the vernier gauge on that and measure just to make sure. So we're going to leave that to one side. We're going to dry fit and glue all of this together now. So I've had a read through the glue. So what the glue basically says is just a sealant. It says is apply minimal amount. I can't even open it. This video might be finished before it starts. We can't open it. Hang on. Fucking hell. I can't get the lid off. Oh. Where's my grips? I've took my grips to Connor's garage. Right, you might have to redo this bloody video because... would you believe that? I can't get the fucking lid off. Which means that the glue's in the lid and the lid's seized. Have I got any grips? I don't think so. Small, you can't get a grip of the bastards. Right, well we leave that alone then because I can't get the bloody grips off. But nice and simple. That goes like that. That goes like that. That goes like that. That goes like that. It all gets glued together. And everybody's happy. And then that will come out. Let me just grab the phone. That will come out of there. That comes out to that side like that. Alright. And connects on to all these hoses down here. So that'll join those hoses together, and there's the two little ones there. But obviously before I put all this back together, what I'm going to do is strip all of this down, turn it on its side, jet wash it all out. So we're going to clean it all out with a jet wash, then put it all back together nice and clean. So, bit of a mess at the moment. Do you like my idea to get the grass to regrow? Put 3 bags of 3 bags of grass seed down and just put a load of polythene over it to act like a little mini greenhouse. Thanks. What are you doing, lads? Banksy's back in jail just because he was jumping all over me while I was trying to work on this, so he's back in his bit. But while this is like that and we keep the dogs off it, the grass will regrow. We put the garden back together. And then this is going where I'm stood, so this is going to go here. I've just got to finish cleaning it off. But, well, can you believe I can't get the lid off the glue? Never mind. I'll sort that out later on in the garage. Back in the garage, chaps. I've had to come over to the garage because I needed a pair of these to get the bloody lid off the glue. Right, so what I'm going to be doing is gluing this piece of kit together. Just make sure that's the right one. Right, I've got two different bits if you have a look. Alright, what the fucking thing? Both got screw threads on them. It doesn't matter. Oh, I forget that doesn't matter, they're both the same. Anyway, that goes on there like that. So that's what I've got to make. So I'm going to pull all the bits apart, stick them on there, and what I'll do, obviously I'll move the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. You don't need to look at me. I've just given the calipers another coat of red paint, but that's for a different project. This is my hot tub project. That's the Yellow Ferrari project. We've got loads of them on the go. There's fucking hot tub, this, the Beetle, the van, loads of stuff. So anyway, there you go, looking at the bench. Right, so with that fucking, there you go. How easy was that? Couldn't get this off in the garden. Okay, clear glue. For some reason I thought it was going to be blue. Oh yeah, you can smell that. Right, so what you've got to do, a light coating, push fit. Just make sure I get the fucking right end. There you go. So a light coat on each end, and off we go. So let me just make sure. Yeah, that goes there. So we'll go. With a light coat around there like that. You don't want it to pool, it said. And then you put the same on the inside. Push them two together. There's one done, nice and simple. The next one is good job of check, that's got to go in that way. So we put a light coating on here. This is the glue. For some reason I thought this was going to be blue. All the videos I've seen using it are blue. And obviously the old one is blue.
Maybe that's the activator.
No, it's pre-done. You smell it. It's ready to go. It stinks. It goes in that way. Upside down. And then that goes in there. And then this one.
It's not even in shot yet.
I've just because I've moved it. Maybe you can see. This one goes there. Same again, just a little. Squid your glue in there like that. Oop, oh shit, nice tight fit. And the final one. Put a snotful on there. And then that fits in there like that. So that's that done. Actually, let me just wipe that glue off the lids and then I'll shoot them next time. Need a pair of bloody grips to get the lid off. Alright, so that's done. Right, we'll leave that up there out of the way. So, oh fucking hell, it's gone off already. So there's my part. that bit out of the heater into there, 4 jets, and then obviously 2 smaller jets, and the one for the other side. I've got to order some new bits because they sent me the wrong part, so not bad, is it? 2 minutes work, another bloody 4 or 5 days worth of postage. So we'll stick that up out the way, and then fix this to the hot tub later.